Assalamu alaikum. I'm Bint Fatima from class 9 Silver, and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. August 14 is the birthday of the independent and sovereign state of Pakistan. It marks the fulfillment of the destiny of the Muslim nation, which made great sacrifices in the past few years to have its homeland. This day is an occasion to promote patriotism and national unity. Independence is truly no lesser than a blessing. You can freely feel a sense of independence and freedom while breathing under the fresh air. We all stand protected because of this independence. True it is, behind all those sacrifices and struggles for unity and free land was the blessing of Almighty Allah. But there lies a higher responsibility on our shoulders. We have to discharge our duties diligently in order to get rid of incessant crises and uncertainties. So, let's help our brothers, our sisters, and help our countrymen selflessly. Let's stand against injustice, ignorance, anarchy, poverty, corruption, and unemployment. Let's work, let's unite. Let's turn it into such a sublime and solid entity that should embitter and spoil every nefarious tactic of our faceless foe. For a new tomorrow, for a new beginning, let's pray for a bright future. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.